This is your ultimate guide to perfect lashes every time. Prepping the eyes. Starting by prepping my eyes with a little bit of translucent powder. I have no other product, I'm just doing this to keep the oils away from my lids. Then I'm doing some simple liner. This helps with hiding the lash band. If you skip this and apply the lashes directly on, you will be able to see your naked eye and then where the lash band is, and that does not look good. So mascara is also as necessary as doing the liner. This helps hide or say blend your natural lashes to the false lashes that you'll apply. How to choose shape and apply. Here's what you need. You need an eyelash tweezer to hold the lashes, or just use your hands, a pair of small scissors, eyelash glue, and of course, eyelashes. Here's a picture of a few lashes to show you the different kinds of volumes, shapes, and uses. These are natural looking lashes. They're perfect for soft, minimal makeup. These are full volume lashes. They're perfect for brides, for engagements, birthdays, and then there are winged lashes that everyone loves. Now let's begin. Very gently pick up your lashes out of the tray. Be super careful. The first thing you do is trim these edges off. They are very irritating and they do keep poking your skin and make your eyes water, so trim them off. Now this is the outer side of the lash and the top short end is the inner corner. Once you trim these edges off, you hold them towards your eyes, and if you think the lashes are too big, you see these little segments over here, you cut your lashes from there to fit your eye shape. Make sure that you are only trimming from the outer end, not the inside. Next, you apply the lash glue. Apply it very liberally to the corners first, and then you go on to the entire section and wait for 10 seconds for it to be translucent or to get tacky like this. Don't do this every time, I'm just showing it to you. But once it reaches this, it's now ready to be applied to your lashes. So I'm picking up these lashes on this applicator and I'm going to gently place it as close as I can to my natural lash line. Please be careful that you do not put them directly on your natural lashes, because when you will take them off, you might just pull a few strands. I am gently going to pinch my natural lash and the false lashes and press them against my skin. Again, be careful, you do not want to poke yourself in the eye and make your eyes water. So take your time with this step, and once you do, you will have perfect application. If you are applying lashes to a client, please make sure that your client does not close their eyes when you're applying lashes. Otherwise, you might just get the glue on the lower lashes as well. And it can be scary for the client if they are not used to wearing this. Just make them look down, but ask them not to close their eyes. Here is a more closer look on how to hold your lashes and press them against your skin. They're very close to my natural lashes, but they are not on them. So please practice this as much as you can and you will definitely be perfect at it. Now here I am just slightly pushing them upwards to shape them, because you don't want them looking straight down. You want them to be a little bit lifted. It is not as difficult to apply eyelashes. You just need a lot of practice. In the beginning, I used to take at least 30 minutes just to apply eyelashes, but I got there and I have come down to at least 5 minutes. Now for the very volumizing lash, there are a lot of fibers on the band, so it's a little bit tougher to get them to apply immediately. So here is what you can do. So once you get the lash out of the tray, this is what I like to do. I call this warming up your lashes. It basically makes the band a little more flexible, so once you are applying it to the client's eye or your own eyes, it is much easier to shape them according to your own eyes. If you just pick them up and try to apply them, they might be a little bit stiff. So here's a little tip that you can use, and that's it. It's that easy to apply these lashes as well. It's nothing difficult, nothing scary. If you found this video very helpful, please do let me know. And like I said, practice makes perfect, so keep on practicing with a lot of patience. And thank you so much for watching today's video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and see you next time.